população adulta da cidade de Serrana, na região de Ribeirão Preto.
Hello everyone, I'm Hu Han from Xinhua News Agency. I'm in São Paulo, the largest city in Brazil. On May 31st, the government of São Paulo State held a press conference at the Butantan Institute, announcing the result of ICE project, an experiment of vaccinating Coronavac for the entire adult population of Serrana, a small city in São Paulo State. Comparing the data from the beginning of the project until the vaccination of all groups was completed, the project caused the symptomatic cases to drop 80%, the hospitalization to drop 86%, and the death cases to drop 95%. Coronavac is developed by Chinese company Sinovac Life Sciences. On January 17, Brazil's health regulatory agency approved emergency use of Coronavac vaccine. The ICE project started on February 17 and concluded on April 11. Serrana has more than 45,000 residents, excluding children, pregnant women. About 27,000 people have completed the vaccination, namely 60% of Serrana's population.